ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Come in. Come in. You can open it, Baba. May kumakatok. Come in. Hello, good morning. How was the tent? You didn't sleep in the tent yet. Ate Holly is here too. She moved after you moved to your mom's room. But this afternoon you can still play there, right? Where's Arlo? Sleep? Still sleep? How's Indy? Come in here. Oh wait, what's mommy doing? What's mommy doing? Oh, cleaning Indy because she's vomited. You know, Indy loves vomiting, ate. Her name is Zook. That's her new name. Zook for Zuka. Zuka in English is vomit. So I call her Zook, okay? Oh, love your hair, ate. You know where we're going today?
Tita Mara's house.
That's right. You know you're gonna play there, Baba.
Hand.
Yes. Don't forget to bring your painting apron so that it's not gonna go into your dress. Right?
But that's the baby food I eat. I don't make it miss.
Okay. That's right. You're a big girl.
I have spare clothes.
Oh, you have a spare clothes. Okay.
So I can make it.
Okay. All right. Ate Holly still sleep. Because you know what time you slept last night? 2 o'clock. Oh my God. Silly girl. Madaling araw na sila natulog. Grabing energy nila kahit nag-swimming. Are you tired? Did you have enough sleep? Yep. Did you have breakfast? No, we don't have to eat breakfast because we're gonna eat at Tita Mer's house. It's almost, ano na guys, 10:09. So mag-ready na pala kami. Naligo na ako kagabi. Good morning, Antog ang mga persons. Akala mo na? Oh, hindi. Ano na? Zook. Hello, Zook.
Sobrang dami yung suka.
Ngayon?
Nakatatlong beses na ako.
Nabis ngayong umaga. 3 beses na rin siya nagsuka. And yung maga, ganyan talaga guys, ang mata ko, maga siya pag umaga. Hindi po yan, ano. Ay, umiyak si Arlo, kulang ang tulog niya. May ginawa, mayroong nilagay si Sisi sa oven. Ay, ang ubi pandesal. Ang sarap ng aming almusal. Tingnan mo yung buko, hindi ko siya dinower. Kagabi na, di ba? Yeah. Hindi ko siya dinower. Straight na straight. Anong oras kayo nagising? Ako kagabi naligo na talaga ako kasi alam ko, walang oras. Yung mga nagka-camping sa tent, nagsi-uwian sa kanilang kwarto-kwarto. Sabi naman nila sa banyo ko, Mama, they left. They left.
Si Arlo, hindi mo talaga yung ganun. Alam ko.
They left me. Like, okay. Ayan. Oy, ang ganda, oh. Ube lahat. Nagustuhan niyo dyan yung isa din. Yung may, ano ba yun? Yung may laman sa loob. Ano ba yun? Custard ba yun? Custard pandesal? May nagustuhan kasi si Jan na binili, inoven niya din. Same person lang ata. Nasa-box din yan. Ayan.
De leche something?
Yeah, de leche. Yeah, yun. Custard. De leche pala yung flavor na yan. Kumain daw siya ang init kasi magdadrive siya. Sabi ko, buti na hindi ako magdadrive. Masarap talaga ito pag mainit kasi ano pa
Kaya
siya.
nga eh, ayan, nagsistem pa.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Sana may kakanin doon kila sis.
Ito naman, kain lang yung iniisip.
Nag-very glow ko. Sana, how long ba? 14?
Bala ka dyan.
Hello, sis.
Dala ka na, ano mo.
Yung ano ni Arlo.
O, yung pati ni Arlo, dalhin mo niya.
Pag si Berry Glue pa naman tumawag talaga, dapat dumiretso. Hindi mo siya yung...
35 minutes 40. Good luck sa very glow dyan. Bakit ka kasi uminom ng very glow?
Kasi alam ko, kakain naman tayo ng isang araw. Papunta dito, di ba, hindi ako Hindi ako minum.
Since galing sa inyo, isang very glow pa lang ako. Kasi ayoko, pag lumabas kami, labas kami ng labas.
Kaya nga,
pag naabutan
kahapon hindi ako minum kasi nagbiyahe kami. Yun talaga, walang chance ako makaano.
Ready ka na ba? Sige, ready na tayo.
Ano naman to? Ayos na kami, guys.
I know, baby. What do you want me to do?
Hello, Dong. Hello.
Do you wanna get out that way?
Guys, dito
Do you
na
wanna
kami sa
help
bahay
me
nila,
open Ate
Mars.
Holly?
Sabi ko, ba pupunta kayo dito? Dito kayo kasi birthday ni Zoe, yung pamangkin niya. So, Ate na lang din kami kasi nandito naman kami. And, ang daming naganap. Hindi na, basta, okay, at least nandito na kami, guys.
Just wait, Ate Holly. I'll open you, babe. Opo.
Opo. Okay, si Holly nandun siya. Arlo. Kulang ang tulog ni Arlo. Ate Holly, Ayan parang OOTD ni Holly. Say hi. Happy birthday. Ay, ganda-ganda naman. Ay. Happy birthday. Nakiki-birthday siya, oh. Nakiki-birthday ang baby namin. Nakiki-birthday ka, Chubby na yan. Zook. Zook, chubby na ikaw, Zook, Zook ka lang ng Zook ka, Look at this. Ay, nakadikit pala sila. Nakadikit. Oh, grabe yung effort. Dinikit talaga siya. Akala ko na. Lagay namin dito si Indie girl. Doon na, be. Bless you.
Is it higher? I'm gonna do it lighter.
Hello, girl. Hello. Dito naman tayo tatamba eh. Ayan yung cake. Patingin ang cake. Ang ganda ng cake. Hanggang gabi ba tayo dito, Mars?
Hanggang gabi kayo
Oh.
nag-stay palagi. Hanggang
Oh.
gabi naman yan.
Ayan palang pagkain dito. May salad, spring roll,
Kasi magkakachok daw
a barbecue, spag. Ano to, pani? Chicken?
Chicken,
Correct. And may request ako sa kanya. Ako talaga nag-request. Request ko to, sis, di ba? Sisi! Request ko? Request ko? Kasi ko, ayan. Sarap to. Tapos mayroong, ano to? Pichi-pichi ba to?
chicken, spring roll.
Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero ito talagang gusto ko. Kalamay. Ito, kalamay. Okay. Ayun yung birthday girl. 60 na pala siya. My God, dalagang dalaga na. Ah. Ay, oo nga. May 8. Uy, gutom na mga bata. Wala tong almusal. Yeah? Spaghetti? Kung may birthday ka na may bisita, wala pa.
I'll give you sanitize your hands. Right here, what do you want to eat? Rice or?
Is it good? Yeah.
May kulay mo pala pang papain. Ano ito na? Salad?
Salad, Asian salad.
Asian? Ito lang gumawa?
Hindi yung holes, yung
Ay!
yung may hard noodles.
Oo, may heart. Heart crispy.
Kaya na yung noodles. Ang ganda ng cake.
Kaya? Ano siya? Chocolate?
Chocolate.
Ano, baby?
Thank you, Mami. Kaya masarap yan siya mag-bake. Wala pa siya ng barley.
Kain na tayo. Maskato.
Wah! Para agahan na. Para mag-drive yan.
Nakalimutan talaga natin. Ang dami ko muskata.
Dalawang maskato ko dyan. Kagabi ka, nag-aperol ako. Natira ko na. Aperol.
Wala pa itong ano sa.
Happy naman yung isa. This one is good, Baba. This is barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue.
Okay.
Later, we get to something.
Oh, wow! Chicken ate.
Oh, di ba? Kakasabi ko.
What do you want chicken ate?
Good job, Aloy!
And chicken? It's not, it is a, hold this baby here. Yes, and bye. Good?
Kain na, be!
That's what we're gonna do. Just like, you know, we'll get this topic and tempo. Set your topic.
Huh? Are you gonna eat? Yeah? You can eat. And then I can do your meeting.
Lagay ko yung sa ano, sa capsule na tulog.
Yeah, there's a place there.
Sino siya?
Oh my God, huh?
Oxtail talaga to?
Yes.
Sana, pag doon sa amin, wala naman masyadong oxtail eh.
Waiting, Aloy.
Chicken there. You go. Yeah, this I like. Now go for it.
The one is doing the.
Uy, ang ganda!
Spicy? Yeah. Don't dip in this one, okay? That's spicy.
Dahil ito sa ano mo, ang anghang.
Yeah, it's chili.
Anong brand? Kasi maasim siya, sobrang anghang.
Yeah?
Sarap.
Oh, sobrang yeah. Beauty.
Ano mo sa akin siya?
Ayan, salita ate.
Kain ka na.
Parang mga first.
Kasi lagi niya sila pag may nagda-doorbell, Daddy.
Daddy, I'm sorry. It's not Daddy. Daddy's working.
Kaya nasabi ko sa'yo eh. Sabi niya sa'yo.
No, he is. He's not working.
Do you want to call Daddy and Daddy to come here?
I'm sorry.
Okay, ask Daddy to come here. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, girl.
Cheers.
Cheers tayo? Sabi, cheers tayo dito. Cheers!
Ate, ano sa'yo?
Ay!
Thank you.
Wala ka, kaya ikaw. Cheers!
Cheers! Happy birthday, Zoe! Hindi man siya. Party lang daw siya.
Ayun, may another dalaga.
Yes.
Nice to meet you there. Dessert na sila, oh.
Look how he loves the hat. I don't know.
Yeah, kanina.
Kanina pa siya nakakata.
Tahan na. 1:38 na, guys. Zoe and kids. Go there.
See your lamps out.
Okay, go, Zoe.
Ito ka na sa
Okay. Get your friend, Ate Zoe, your friend.
Oh, Nicolay, dito. Next to Zoe.
Alam nila, hindi nila birthday, behind the scene lang sila.
Yeah, you stand there, Baba.
Stand here so you guys can see the
Yeah, okay, you stand there. Stand there to Ate Ayla so they can see. Riker Plane, you go there.
Ron, busy sa
Yeah,
Stand up. You sing happy birthday for ate.
you gotta say happy birthday.
Alright.
Okay.
Come on, Ate Oli. Dito ka, Ate. Oh, dito ka. Yeah, dyan ka. Okay. Okay, now at least kita kayong lahat. Good job. Okay, sing now. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep. Hooray! Hep hep. Hooray! Okay, make a wish. Oh! Ay! Kita sa siya na lang. Si Arlo nag-blow na lang ng paano? Pa-blow mo yung mga bata. Bata. Blow.
6 or 1?
6 na lang. Okay.
Isa-isa sila tayo.
Who wants to blow? O si Arlo, tingnan mo. Who wants to blow?
Bangers na yung mga person.
Me! Okay, Arlo. Happy birthday, Arlo. Tumanda ka na dong.
Hold on.
Okay, happy birthday, Arlo.
Okay, let's sing again.
Happy... Oh, mauubos ang boses ko dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arlo.
Happy birthday.
To you. Hooray! 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 Okay. Blow, Arlo, blow. Arlo, blow. Blow. Oh. Yeah! Hindi naka-blow. Hindi na tayo ng tape. Dami ng dami ng tubig. Wala, oy! Oy! Nalungkot yung lalaki. Hindi pa siya naka-blow. Ipa-blow na lang siya. Ay, dalo. Dalo. Bumaba ang muso. Ay, it's your turn, Arlo, Arlo! It's your turn, Arlo! It's your turn. Balik. Arlo's turn. Arlo's turn. Arlo and Riker. Sira.
Five naman sila.
Alam mo, sulit ang kandong. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow. Sing, sing.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Baka magtulak. Happy birthday. Hindi na naman siya makakablow. Magpagkano yung isa. Happy birthday to you. Day, saluy mo. Yeah! Yeah, Arlo! Arlo! Okay. Sige, Arlo's turn. Arlo's turn. Blow! Blow, Arlo! Blow na! Arlo, your turn. Promise. Wala nang kanta. Paus na ako. Promise. O, Dong, ikaw na to, Dong. Happy birthday, Arlo! Happy birthday, Arlo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Arlo! Okay. Blow, Arlo! Blow! Go! Go, Arlo! More! Closer! Go, Arlo! Arlo! Go, Arlo! Yeah! Daming exposure. Sumakit yung panga ko kay Arlo. Galing ni Arlo. House ako magkanta ng happy birthday. Kuha tayo nitong watermelon. Ito mamaya kainin ko yan. Kalamay daw pala to. Akala ni Mars Biko. Kalamay pala yung na-order niya. Sabi! Harap! Pagkain na naman ako. Try natin tong kutsinta, guys.
Oo, sa'yo yun.
Namiss ko yung kutsinta ni Ajo. Sarap.
Ito yung sa'yo, di ba? Kay Racey.
Ito ko rin ni Mother.
Moscato.
Kaibigan niyo yung mga...
What's the name, Tita?
Mag-painting na raw sila. Wow.
Si Harley.
I don't know, Baba. Whatever you want.
This one? I made a panda.
Draw anything you want, Baba.
Okay.
Okay.
That's for you guys. That's for you guys.
Yes. And a house or whatever. May canvas dito, oh.
Sa'yo. Sila hati-hati lang sila.
Oo.
Share lang naman.
Sure na lang sila.
Get to it. Let's get to it.
Holly. Happy Holly. Yeah, Ate Holly. Gonna draw.
Okay, for you, you got this, okay? Wait, okay? I'm gonna draw this.
Your brush, okay? Here. You wash your brush if you're gonna change.
Well, I need a water.
Will you wash it first?
Okay, full.
And then wash.
We need this.
Baba, okay. Okay. Down, Baba, down. Down. Yay! I wanna play with Arlo! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Yung isa ayaw niya. Sawang-sawa na siya dyan.
Happy birthday!
May basket si ate doon.
They have their artwork there.
Oh, you got sander, ate? I love it.
Ang galing ni Aha.
Dapat
Kaya
more
nga.
color pa yata sa kanila.
Oo nga. Yun lang naman. 4. Oo.
Sana sasali tayo.
Uy, wag na, uy. Diwit ang ilalagay ko yung bulate. Tinulang ka ba sa papel, ha?
Brown naman tong isa, brown.
Yung mga hinahanap nila yung wala. Si Mami, may ambag. Dapat talaga alam nyo na kay Ayla yan.
I-dry out daw.
Dry out.
Kaya.
Nilagyan ko si Oli dito ng sarili yung kulay. Kasi tingnan nyo na, naging lumot na to. Sino?
Dinoble niya yung painting niya eh.
Sino ni Ayla? Ni Ayla? Dinoble murder? Double murder. Tapos na raw mag-painting yung mga bata. Pinapasok na sila kasi yung dalawa doon, yung teenager, busy. Masyadong siniseryoso yung painting doon. Nandun sila mag-ice cream. Ayan. Sinadal na si Indy. Si Zook. Zook, tulog na tulog. What do you want? Is it for me? No. Ay, open? Open daw? Ano to? Mango? Para ng ano to
Yung mga big girls na nandun eh, patay si Holly nandun na.
Kailangan na na.
Wait.
Tapos na You wanna watch? What movie you wanna watch?
Watch movie, Papa. Watch movie.
What movie?
Ay, naman pala di baby.
Oh no! I love it. Uy, parang siyang ice drop. Sa atin.
Sorbet siya. Sorbet, tamis.
What do you say? Welcome! Parang ang sarap! Ay, ang magang amoy. Tapos na po ang party. Chika-chika na lang kami. Inom-inom. Yung mga bata ay naglalaro. Ingay na namin dito. Oo, yung dalawa. Kanina pa yan si Arlo. Ganyan. Makain na kami ng cake. Sarap. Buttercream yung ano niya. Icing. Kanina pa. Siya na nag-take over. Nice. Ang pasahero niya naman ay si ate. Alam. Gusto niya sumangkay. Gusto niya umangkas ate. Anong oras na ba? Baba, get your painting na. 4:39 na. Baba, get your painting. Get you're painting to Ayla. I think it's dry.
And you know what to say?
Ayan na yung paintings ng dalawa. Wow!
What is it, Ayla? What did you explain it?
Explain. What did you paint?
Holy yung architect.
Sky.
The sky where?
It's vampire.
The grandpa lives? Why? The what?
It's vampire.
A vampire. The sky where the
Kaya-
vampire lives.
That's kaya pala dark. Go to the... How about you, ate?
The sky where the vampire lives.
No, it's not.
There is nothing
Explain. Explain. Nice. Explain it, Baba. What is it?
I think I have idea. I think I have idea.
What is it?
This is for the 3 little piggy twins.
So, it's a beach? What is it? Tell us.
Sunset and black stars.
Um,
I made that avatar so bad and the flags. I did too.
Dito. Oh, wow! I did this. Wow, okay, explain. Look, I did this. Wow! What is it? Okay. Oh, you did a painting. Good job. Sabi niya sa akin, hey, I did it. So what's the other? You got sunset? That's very nice. Kain na kami ulit. Anong oras na? 6:41. Dinner na to. Oo, tapos na pala kumain and ayan, nagbabarahan na at mustato kami. Tapos na kami magbaraha. Scrabble naman kami, guys. Anong oras na?
Oh, ngayon na ng 4.
9, ano? Wow, just... Oy!
Hindi pwede yan. O, di
Oh, may sarili na lang ako.
Magsarili na lang. Ito yung ano mo, takpan mo. Oh.
Sarili naman tayo magsarili.
Nakuha yun, Grace. Patay ka, hindi ko i-edit.
Kasi kasi may mga couple eh. May mga couple eh.
Grabe yung brain, guys. Wala pa. Paano nag-scrabble na yung brain. Kailangan naman ng sugar. Ayan, nag-drain. Agad ang scrabble. Ayan na, guys. Mag-dessert kami. Ito naman si Sue, 1 hour na dyan. Start pa lang namin kanina pa. Kaya kain na muna kami. Si Sano, kaya pa. Hindi pala. Kain na. Diyos ko, Lord. Na-drain. Dito na naman. Si Sisi ko, oh. Tapos na kami, guys. Ang panalo si Grace. Second siya. Third ako. Fourth si Grace. And then siya yung last.
That's a big score din.
Wow!
Paano ka daw naka-33?
Yung question.
Times 3 yan. Question pa yun. Yung Seiko, no? Yung Seiko.
Bakit ang laki niya?
Ang laki ng ano niya. Asa yung Seiko dyan?
Ano taas, oo. Dapat nag-double pa siya.
Lagay mo sa triple. Na triple niya.
Triple pa pala. Alas 12 na, guys. Ngayon pa lang kami uuwi.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.